Hey, what's up guys, this is Bro Smart. So while I was searching for new Android applications this week, I found 3 really amazing Android apps. So why not showing them to you guys? If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel, which will motivate me to make more videos like this. And with that being said, let's see what are the top amazing Android apps. On number 3 is the Material Circle free live wallpaper app. This one is the best live wallpaper app in the style of Material design. This animated theme supports multi-touch. To set the live wallpaper, install it first, and after installing the app, you will be surprised to see no app icon in the app section. Don't get confused here. Go to home screen and press the screen for 2 or 3 seconds. Now select wallpapers, slide left, and here is the Material Circle live wallpaper. After tapping on it, you can also tweak the settings, but to do that you have to activate the Pro version. Other than that, you can also change the frame rate from 60 frames per second to 30 fps. If the animations are not smooth, you can also decrease the frame rate. This is beauty. You can look into the screen for a day. The design, colors, animations, and all total looks fantastic, and I really enjoy playing with the multi-touch feature. So far there was no lag and not a single ad. Material Circle free wallpaper app is must-have Android app on an Android device. Jumping to number 2 with the app called SpeakPic. This is an interesting app because it does make a photo speak. Yes, I'm not joking at all. First, type any sentence or a word in this text box. Now import a photo to this app from your phone's gallery and see the magic. This is fun and I really liked it. Snap a photo of your friend and make him speak anything you want using this app. Great prank app, I must say it. Moreover, there are some tools that you can use. For example, the voice changing tool. You can pick one voice from hundreds. You can also change the voice pitch from accents to your own language. You can also record your own voice, change effect, and more. SpeakPic is 90% accurate and it works well. So you should check out this amazing app. The number 1 app is Minimo Icon Pack Launcher. So I told you about Minimal Live Wallpaper app, so why not a Minimal Icon Pack for Nova Launcher? If you have a Nova Launcher already installed, select the Minimo Launcher from the link given in the description. Now open the app, tap on Apply, and then select Nova Launcher. Exit the app and tap on the Nova Launcher app. And here is the minimal setup. The clean interface stole the show. There is nothing I can complain about. This is a clean and simple icon pack for Nova Launcher, and I really liked it. You can change the icon design too. There are over 750 icons. The apps tray looks cool. There is a search bar on top. Under that, the recent applications, and finally under that there are all my apps. The white background match with the icons clearly. Now to uninstall an application or to change its icon, tap on the app icon and hold it for a second. After that, there are the uninstall change icon options. Without dragging the application to the home screen, now it's easy to uninstall it with a single touch. And that was the list of 3 amazing Android apps. If you did enjoy watching this video, then give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Bro Smart and I'm signing out.